Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to read a Snapchat message without letting them know. Let's dive in. First thing you want to do is to go ahead and open your Snapchat. And to read a Snapchat message, what you have to do is just to click on a message that you want to read. You just click on a text. For example, here I can click new chat and I can read the message normally. And when you do this, the person who sent the message will be able to know that you read it. So I'm going to show you how you can read the message and they will not know that you've read the message. So if you want to do that, what you have to do is swipe. What you can do is swipe to the left, and when you usually do that, it shows the map. When you swipe to the right, it's the camera. But what you want to do is you want to hold on an icon of the text that you want to read, and then you want to swipe left like this. You hold on the icon, then you swipe left like this. And I can just try to swipe with more messages. Like for example, I'm going to try and swipe here, and you can see that it works. And that is how you do it, guys. All you want to do is just to hold it and swipe left, and you can see the text, and they will know that you've read it. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.